Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to sacrifice a Snickers bar to molten potassium chlorate. Check this out. All I'm using in this reaction is potassium chlorate, a Snickers bar, a frying pan, and my torch. So to begin, in order to fully oxidize a Snickers bar, I'm going to add about 200 grams of potassium chlorate to Corningware in a pan. The next step is to heat up the potassium chlorate. Through thermal decomposition, it will slowly change into potassium chloride and oxide once it's completely melted. I'm going to use the blowtorch for this and slowly heat it up. Here's our Snickers bars. Here they go. So there are a couple of amazing parts to this reaction. At first, we started with potassium chlorate. That was that white powder that you saw. That's the KClO3. We heated that up and it slowly decomposed into potassium chloride and oxide. The second part of this reaction was when we added the Snickers bar. And Snickers has a glucose molecule that reacts, and that's the C12H22O11 8KClO3 It's oxidized and immediately changes into carbon dioxide and water, and a terrific amount of energy in this exothermic reaction. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.